Good morning, mi gente. Louis the Boilerman is here with you guys here in Far Rockaway, Queens. We just finally got here and we're going to check out the boiler because they need a new boiler and also they need heat. So it's very important because it's getting cold. I know it doesn't look like it's cold, but yeah, it's a little nippy right now. So guys, come outside and let's go take a look at the boiler. This is the part that sucks because I'm here waiting and taking fucking forever. Let's see, let's press this button.
Walk up to the front step, move to the left. There's a little path to the left.
Okay. So I'm coming out the house, so if I'm facing the street, I'm making a right?
It's right click the really gate. It's either you right click.
Okay, I'm here. Oh, I see, there's a white door.
Front door there. The front door is locked.
Okay, yeah, just open. Alright guys, I just finished getting off the phone with the customer. So they need a gas boiler. Obviously we have gas. We know it's a steam boiler because it has a glass gauge. We know it's a Burnham boiler, so this is a very popular boiler. This is usually an IN boiler. Let's see. Take a look. See the exact model. If they have the tag, because sometimes people rip them off. Yeah, somebody ripped out the tag. So I know it's a Burnham, it's gas, it's steam. If I had to tell you a model, I would say it's an IN, probably like an IN4 and IN5. It's a small boiler, it's not that big of a boiler. I hate when guys do that, but some guys in the industry does that. They rip out the tags because they feel they're gonna get the job or the job should be theirs, and it is what it is. But I'm familiar with the boiler, so I know what I'm up against. So that's neither here or there. I wanna write her up. Typically a boiler like this could cost anywhere, I would say, you're probably looking around like $8,500 to $9,000 is what we're looking at for this boiler, and that's including the boiler, installation. The boiler typically comes with a warranty from the manufacturer, about 10 years. We give 1 year. Even though it's a new boiler, steam is old technology. I mean, that's just what we use here in New York because it's been here for many years, but that's pretty much it. I mean, the efficiency on these type of boilers, we'll say between 80 to 84%, no more than that. That's typically what a gas steam boiler goes for, and that's pretty standard across the board. It doesn't matter what manufacturer you go with. Nobody wants to be the bearer of bad news. I gotta give her the bad news. Well, she already knows half the bad news, but when I say bad news, because nobody wants to hear the price. Everybody, yeah, I need a new boiler, but when it comes down to the price, my God, Lou, it's so expensive. Yeah, having a house is expensive. Having a business is expensive. It's nothing cheap. So, but this is the heart of the house, because if you have no heat, you're gonna freeze your ass off. You have no heat in the middle of the winter, you're gonna freeze your pipes. So this is very important. It's an essential. You definitely need to have this done. No different from electrical, plumbing, roofing. Guys, stay tuned because we have more content coming your way. Hvac.